Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a VR for Craft Purge, who is Toni. She's currently having a Halloween challenge giveaway, and I'm so bad at giving the deets on everything, so I made sure this time that I had a list here. Okay, so you must make 2 Halloween themed embellishments like I did, and you have to, it says you must use non-traditional Halloween dies, which I did, and you have 2 weeks. The deadline is October 22nd, and you must post a video or an Instagram. So all you have to do is that. You don't have to mail anything. Super easy challenge to enter. If you have any further questions, I have the link to Toni's channel. It'll be linked below, and what she also would like you to do if you're entering is comment on her video, because she wants to see all of the videos or VRs that come in, and that way she can know who's entering and also find a winner. You guys, she has some amazing prizes. Check out her channel. She has so much creativity to offer, as well as insight into the crafting paper community. So check her out, and a lot of ideas to share. I made these cute little embellishments. These are made with Scrap Diva Designs sand bucket. This is a shovel, and I think they came out so cute. If you can see them, so cute. Let me show you the die. This is the die right here. It's scrapdivadesigns.com, and it comes with several pieces, but what I did use is the shovel part, and it comes with the base and the lining. So that's it right there, and I love how they came out. I also used her word stamps, and as you can see right here, spooky, and there's the spooky right there. I just love it, you guys. And I also use this twine that I picked up last year from the Dollar Tree. However, I don't think they have it anymore. You can try and check. You can find this at Michael's. It's made by the Celebrate It line, and it comes in a spool, probably about 5 yards, but not like this. Okay, so I also use the add-on for her gumball, and the Halloween add-on gumball die set comes with bats and a spider and several other pieces that they're currently sold out, so I'm not going to show you what that looks like. I'm sure a lot of you have bats and spiders available. I also used the Lawn Fawn stamp set to stamp my jack-o'-lantern face, and I just love how it came out. I was going to use the Lawn Fawn stamp pumpkin and face die set. However, I didn't have any color that went with this collection. I'm using the DCWV Halloween Party paper collection I picked up from Joann's, and I just love how it came out. So I did do some fussy cut on the pumpkins from the paper pad, from the paper sheet, and I also added these added this face pumpkin stamp. I think it came out so cute. Okay, so the back is very clean. I just lined it with some black. It has some tulle and some shaker bits in there. Also did some hand stitching around the perimeter of the shovel. How cute is that? I just love it. I'm running out of my pink thread, so I didn't use it. I did use this orange one here, and it's made by Dual Duty, and I believe I picked it up from Michael's. I'll leave that there closer so you can see in case you want to purchase it. But it's very vibrant neon orange. I just love it. Okay, so the next set is this right here. I think it came out so cute as well. I'm using the Charcuterie board, and let me get that. This is Scrap Diva Designs. I'm using the little runt from this die set. I just love it. How cute and small is that little charcuterie board? I think it's so cute. Oh my goodness, I just love it. And so I just made it into a little tag. The back is also jet black. You can stamp in white. This little This fishtail banner is made using the Stamps of Life die set, and I'm using that piece right there. So it comes with several fishtails. It comes with 4 different sizes, and I did use the larger size for this. I also used Scrap Diva Designs Boo stamp set, and it actually says Boo to You. And I made sure that I stamped out only the boo, so I did do some masking so I didn't have to use that part. So I just love how it came out. The twine is also from Dollar Tree. Last year, every time I saw some colored twine, I would pick it up because I just love it. And look how cute. Added some bats. Added, this circle piece here with the pumpkins is a Spellbinder circle, and it's one of the old dies, so if you have just a circle punch or something, you can also use that. But so cute. I just love how these embellishments came out. So I did a little setup here because of my mat. If you guys know, my mat has seen better days. But look I have a bunch of glue on there. I tried to scrub it, and as I started to scrub, the lines started to fade. So if someone can help me, what do I do? How do I clean this? So this is why I have the white border here. So yeah, I think, well, it looks kind of better to me, but I do like my craft mat because all of the mess too. So it's kind of like, do you want pretty or do you want usable? So yeah. Okay, you guys, this is the video. Hopefully you enjoyed my little tags. I think they came out so cute. Check out Toni. She will be linked below. Craft Purge. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.